Hello guys, I'll be showing you two methods on how you can take a screenshot on your MacBook. So this works on both Air and Pro. Um, so this is me just going into my download folder. I'm going to be picking out a specific picture which I downloaded from the internet, and then with this picture I'll be able to illustrate to you how you can achieve these screenshots. Okay, yeah, it's a picture of a cute cat and a computer with the hands of a lady. So the first step, you want to screenshot the whole of the screen. You just need to click on the command shift and number 3 simultaneously, and once you do that, you're going to see a pop out at the right lower part of the screen which shows that it's been screenshotted. So for you to be able to obtain this screenshot, you can click on it directly when you see it there, or you can just simply go to your desktop. Every screenshot you're going to be taking appears directly on your desktop. Yeah, so this is it. The second method helps you screenshot only a specific item from your screen. So to do this, you just click on the shift, command and number 4 keys simultaneously. So once you do that, the arrow cursor on your screen changes to a mini circle with a cross sign in it, as you can see on the screen. So what you need to do is to hold and drag it across the specific item you would like to screenshot. So in this case, I'm going to be screenshotting only the cat out of the image. So this is me just trying to place the cursor correctly, and then just drag it across the cat. So once you do this, you release your hands, remove your hands from the mouse, then you can see the screenshot by the side. Bring it up and then you see only the screenshots of the cat being taken. Have in mind that all the screenshots you're going to be taking goes directly to your desktop, so you can easily obtain it from there. Alright, if this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.